Welcome back everyone, Mike McConville here again, Stratford, Ontario, Canada for StringTech Workstations. We have a Godin A6. Now this is the guitar that followed up after he released the Acousticaster, which had like a Telecaster headstock. And I think it was a bit of a forced play there by Fender to get him to change that. This is the model that kind of followed that. So the body is kind of a pseudo Telecaster style. It's got like a kind of a regular acoustic guitar bridge. This has the cantilevered, compensated bridge saddle to get this guitar to intonate. And you will hear that, sure enough, when I'm done. We'll bring it into the studio, plug it in, and really let you hear it. But the trickiest part of this job is this cantilevered portion of the saddle. You really have to check it very closely, because right now, it's hung up just a little tiny bit here, and when that happens then you get signal fall off. You want to make sure that that cantilevered portion of the saddle isn't resting on the rosewood, and I think right here it is. So I am going to pull that out, scrape at it a little bit, and put it back in. And this is to ensure that you've got maximum response on all 6 strings all the way across. Now these are 11 to 52 EJ26, I believe, D'Addario strings. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to scrape the underside of that saddle. So I'm going to make that last adjustment, and I think we're good to go. I keep this little 4-sided file specifically for this purpose, just to ensure that this portion, the cantilevered portion of the saddle, is not hung up on the rosewood slot. When you look at the underside of that ledge, you can see how much displacement we needed to get this guitar to be in tune. Alright, let's go install it. So I thought I'd give you a look at that saddle before I put the strings on. I did put those relief cuts at the leading edge of the bridge pin holes to ensure good solid contact right across all 6 strings. Here we go, moment of truth. Is it A string? G string. Here's our first string. I put that foam in there, getting so much sympathetic resonance from the body that the tuner was kind of going wild. Okay, time to go into the studio and really check this out. Well, the new thing on the channel is for those of you who feel so inclined and would like to show some gratitude. So if my videos have inspired you in some way, shape, or form, made you a better tech, or maybe even helped to clarify things so that when you deal with your own local guitar tech, you can be a little clearer about what you're after. You can click on that heart and donate whatever you feel you're comfortable donating. Okay, back to the Godin. There's our final take on that saddle. Once again, this is 12 to 52 strings, concert pitch. I have recorded two progressions. I'm going to play both of them right now, and I kind of stack them together in the loop station. The first progression. Now, over top of that progression, I've got this. Of course, your shares, subscriptions, likes, and comments are always appreciated. But now, if you want to show a little further gratitude, you are able to make any donation that you feel comfortable with.